everyone, this is Wynn from SINOMADA Heavy Industry. Today we come to XCMG factory. Now we can see there are many different kinds of excavator in the factory. Let me introduce you one of the excavator now. The machine I would like to introduce to you is a medium-sized excavator, which is XE200DA. The operating weight of this excavator is 21,200 kilograms. The excavator is equipped with 0.93 cubic meter bucket. Except bucket, you can also equip with other attachments. When you purchase the excavator, you can also purchase other attachments such as hammer, quick coupler, and so on. Now, let's look at the engine. XE200DA is equipped with CUMMINS engine. The rated power of the engine is 135 kilowatts, and it meets Tier 3 emission, which is very suitable for many countries. Besides, CUMMINS engine is very powerful and low fuel consumption. It can improve efficiency and save lots of oil. Here we come to the excavator's jacks. The width of the excavator is 600 millimeters. The extended and widened tracks provide good stability for the excavator. Now I'm in the excavator's cab. XE200DA is equipped with a new luxury cab. It has lower noise. Operators can operate the excavator more efficiently and comfortably when they are working. It also has a large screen display, which can even play the video. That concludes my introduction today. If you are interested in it, please contact me freely. See you next time.